Want to edit any photo instantly with Canva's Magic Grab? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use this powerful tool step by step. First, open Canva on your computer or mobile device and upload the photo you want to edit. Next, click on the photo to select it, then click Edit from the top menu. Now, scroll through the editing options until you find Magic Grab. It's one of Canva's AI-powered tools. Simply click on it. Canva will scan your photo. Once the scan is complete, select your subject, then click Grab to separate it from the background. Once it's done, you can move, resize, or reposition the subject anywhere in your design. You can even replace the background, add text, or adjust filters, all without using complex photo editing software. And that's it. With just one click, you've used Magic Grab to edit your photo like a pro. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials.